Isn't watching videos something you do every day? So, how do you plan on making money from viewing entertaining YouTube videos? You will be able to earn $100 to $150 per hour right now, simply by doing so. Isn't it mesmerizing? Today, I'll show you how to use 4 finance websites to earn money into your accounts, as well as the exact actions to take for each. Of course, the websites I'm about to show you are completely free and legitimate. And yes, this strategy works all around the world. As a result, you shouldn't be concerned about where you might come from. Now, all I ask is that you stay with me and listen until the finish of this beginner-friendly guide so that you can learn the particular details of this strategy. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. Ucubes.com is the first website we'll use to earn money online by viewing videos today. They have over 770,000 members, as you can see, and have been around since 2007. You can get money online by visiting different websites, taking surveys, and watching videos, and several other things. Furthermore, 20,000 payments have already been made to people all around the world. When you first arrive at this website, the first thing you should do is create a free account. To do so, simply click on the Sign Up Now button right here. After that, you'll be directed to this website, where you can sign up. It's completely free. And all you have to do is fill in your email address, make a password, and complete your full name, username, gender, and date of birth. Then, by selecting this drop-down arrow, you can select your country of residence. Now, by clicking on that, you can see that they accept people from all around the world. After that, they'll ask you how you heard about them, and you can just respond by typing YouTube. Finally, click this button that says I'm not a robot, and then click Register to finish the process of creating your Ucubes.com account. Following the creation of your account, you can now earn money simply by watching a basic YouTube video similar to this one on your screen for 30 to 60 seconds. You will earn roughly 50 cents for each short video you watch. Please bear in mind that a shorter film will pay you less, whilst a longer video will pay you more, so make sure to invest some time for watching videos. For those of you who are still paying attention, it's time to give you some additional tips that you may apply to all of the videos you watch in the future. To begin, simply mute the video and let it play in the background while you do something else. You can also open many videos and tabs at the same time. By doing so, you will be able to optimize your earning potential while putting in less effort and time. Finally, you can use multiple devices such as laptop, mobile, and tablet to watch as many videos as possible in order to secure the money in the bag. These are among the most effective techniques for making money by watching YouTube videos, so make sure you apply them all. Now it's time to go on to the second platform called Booksinsidecom. And the fact that you can get paid every 10 seconds is something I really like about this site. Isn't that fascinating? The best aspect about this website is that after you make $2 from watching movies, you may cash out right away. Take a look at this payment proof to ensure that you don't have any doubts about the platform's legitimacy. As you can see, they accept people from all around the world. You'll notice that this website is very open about the transaction it does. You can see the users' usernames, payment methods, earnings, and where they come from. If you stick around and pay attention to what I'm about to say, you can be next in line. Now, you will have to sign up for a free account on their homepage when you access this site. Simply click the register icon in the top right corner of your screen to do so. After that, you'll be taken to this page, where you have to create a username and input your login or payment email address. After that, you can simply leave the referral field blank. Following that, select your preferred currency and payment method. You have the option of using PayPal, ADV Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, or AirTM as payment options. Then, to accept their terms and policies, click this button. Finally, click the register button to complete the registration process and begin earning money every 10 seconds. FusionCash.net is the third website where you can earn money right now. The nicest part about this website is that you are paid to create an account. As you can see, they provide a $5 sign-up bonus, and remember that enrolling is completely free. All you have to do is click on the Get $5 button on this page. Then, simply enter your username, email address, password, and zip code. Finally, press the Register button to start earning $5 immediately. After you've completed the registration process, you may begin watching videos and earning 50 cents for each tiny clip you watch. On this website, you can also accomplish various chores. FusionCash.net allows you to earn money by downloading mobile apps, playing games, and referring friends. To maximize your results, make sure you visit the platform and try out all of the numerous ways to earn money. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $50, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. Let's go on to the fourth and last website, which is called Irazoo.com. And it looks like this. This is the one I strongly suggest because it will make you the most money. You can get free gift cards and cash by going to this website. They've also paid out over $137 million in cash to all of their subscribers all around the world. Furthermore, they've been featured on Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and The Wall Street Journal, among other outlets. You can see how it works now if you scroll down below. To begin, you must first register with Irazoo. Then, by watching movies and playing games, you can gain points. After you earn points, you can exchange them for gift cards like Amazon gift cards or cash through PayPal. As with the first three websites, you must also create a free account on this platform too. To do so, go to this page and click the Get Started button. Fill up your email address, first name, last name, and password after that. To complete the process, click Create Account. You will be redirected to this page once you've logged into your brand new account. This is where you'll find your dashboard. Here is where you can make money by viewing videos and playing games. Aside from that, you can get money by simply creating a profile, answering a few questions, verifying your email, adding your profile picture, and so on. As a result, make sure you explore and investigate all of the earning options available on your dashboard. We used 4 different websites in this video: ucubes.com, Booksinsidecom, FusionCash.net, and Irazoo.com, all of which allow you to earn money by watching videos. Visit all of those and combine them to get the best possible outcome to earn your first ever money online. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now on to the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of the 10 $50 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word popcorn, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 5,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel, so be sure to watch some of other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.